Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add pages to your Google site. Notice I have the basic framework of this site right here. If I go to the top right, just to explain some of these buttons, this is the Edit Page button. So no matter what page I eventually select on the left side, if I want to edit it, I click that Edit Page button. To the right of that is the New Page button. That's what we're going to focus on for this quick tutorial. I'm going to click on that New Page button. I'm going to go over some of the options in here. Of course, you have your create and cancel buttons up here. When you're done choosing your options, naming your page, etc., you'll hit that create button. I'm going to name my first page. I'm going to make it really interesting. I'm going to do page 2. Now notice as I write page 2, you can see that it automatically creates a URL there, and it says page dash 2. That dash comes into play because I put a space between page and 2. If I want to change my URL, I can just click change URL. I can get rid of that little space there. It's not that big a deal, but when you start typing in URLs, you don't want too many dashes and dots and question marks and all that sort of thing. Now I also have an option here to select a certain template. Notice by default it says basic web page. If I go down, I can do an announcements page, which allows me to do RSS feeds, lets people subscribe to my information. I can do a file cabinet, which is nice if I'm attaching multiple files. I can do a list of websites, and I can also do a start page. The other piece of information I can put in here is put page at top level, or I can put it under certain areas. I like to put it at the top level most of the time, and I'll show you in another video how you could kind of change the navigation structure in your Google Sites page. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create. And it says please wait. And you'll notice right now I have page 2, and it automatically goes into that edit mode that I was talking about before. If I hit save up top here, you'll see I have those same options that I discussed at the beginning. I have my home page now. I have my page 2, and no matter what page I click on, I can just hit that little button there. I have all my options in here, and I can type in whatever I'd like and hit save, and that's how you add a new page in Google Sites.